Hey kids, let's wake up with a song and a dance. Rise and shine. It's time to start the day with chirpy birds. Can you hear the birds singing? Let's join them. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Let's flap our wings. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Let's jump and sing. Wake up with a smile. Sing loud and clear. Dance with our feathered friends. The morning is here. Oh look, there's Bluebird. And here comes Red Robin. They're all singing together. Let's join in. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Let's flap our wings. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Let's jump and sing. Great job, kids. You're doing amazing. Now, let's get ready for a fun-filled day. Remember, every morning is a new adventure. So wake up, sing, and dance with us. Goodbye for now, little friends. See you next time with Chirpy Birds.